Hello peoples, it is me, Goofball, in my latest video. Actually, not my latest video. Yes, my latest video. I don't know, but I am currently recording this at, well, anyways, I'm recording this at midnight. And I would like to introduce you guys to this game called Smashy Road. I think it's made by the same creators of Cross Zero, but it's really fun. And you see this beautiful car here? I had to waste a very expensive upgrade tank to make it blue like this, and I call her the Goofmobile. So let's get straight into the video. So basically, you have to dodge the cops as they're coming for you. It's very cool. You get the fire drops every now and then. And oh gosh, no! The Goofmobile's gonna fall in the water. Purple, bet. Purple is like a combat. No. The Goofmobile! Come here. Bye. What? You guys want me to catch him in? No, I'll catch him in. Okay, I guess I want them. Oh my gosh. That was literally about to explode. You guys not just see that? But I think he just exploded. Let's just steal this car. Ooh. Oh. I don't read the supply drop. Oh, shoot! Y'all did not just see that. What happened? What I saw was a cop exploding along with a big old truck, and along with me too. Ooh. Oh gosh. Supply. Guys, comment down below. Comment down below if instead of just doing, like, you know how I made that Five Nights at Freddy's video, the explaining it? Comment below if I should make this the background of the video instead of the this as the background of like the commentary videos instead of just the goofball figure. And actually, I will be dropping a goofball OC and like basically a goofball OC, I guess. But it's just gonna be what you need to become goofball. And it's really simple actually, and I'll be dropping that in like a 5-second short, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, the Goofmobile is still intact, and I just got T-boned. No! Oh, I accidentally paused it. Sorry guys. Anyways, I bet you guys didn't see that. Oh, you definitely didn't see that. Gonna crash into it. There's this thing that when you hit something, it goes close call. You see, like that. Oh shoot! Y'all saw that, right? I went bonk. No, I'm about to die, fam. Let me in. Guys, I'm recording this at midnight right now, because I have nothing better to do. Okay, guys, so... No. Oh. Yeah. What's that? Running speed? Is that the freaking military? My speaker chat. Oh! Just gonna wait for the entire military to come. But meanwhile, okay, the military just pulled up. Oh gosh, oh gosh. I think in these empty areas there could be like literally just helicopters, drivable helicopters. It's just sitting here, but like I'm not too sure. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. My latest video for Congress was actually earlier today, and it was earlier on the 1st of the month. Oh, yellow! Yellow's like a weapon upgrade. It was on the 1st of the month though. And what I mean by that is September 1st, 2024. I made a video about, well, me going to the Red Rock Canyon in California. Which is like, right, kind of like going. And, oh gosh. No, guys. Running speed! Anyways, I have a question for you guys. In the comments, tell me if you're subscribed. And I will make sure to make a special video for everybody who commented so far. Not just on this video, but every video. No! So yeah, that's pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm about, I just blew up like 4 cars. Or 2. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This game's very entertaining to buy it on iOS and Android, I think. It's called Smashy Road 2. Peace out. Goofball will miss you for the probably the 4 hours that I won't post a video. No, I gotta rest.